Welcome to the material session of Bhopal Sir's Career Point. This is the video for the student of class 12 on Unit 3. The name of the unit is Chemical Kinetics. It is strictly as per the new syllabus of CHSE Odisha and CBSE. This is the part 12 video of this unit covering the topics concept of collision theory and activation energy. ଏବେ ଆମେ ବୁଝିବା what is activation energy. ଆମେ activation energy କାହାକୁ କହିବା? The excess amount of energy which must be supplied to the reactant molecules to undergo chemical reactions and to form the product molecules is called the activation energy, which is represented by the symbol EA. then activation energy ଆମେ କାହାକୁ କହିବା? ଯେଉଁ excess amount of energy आमे रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल को दबा फल केमिकल रिएक्शन घटी प्रोडक्ट मॉलिक्यूल तैयारी होता है आमे ताकू ही एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी बोली कहबा. दिस इज द theoretical definition of activation energy. Let us consider a general reaction. A plus B gives you C plus. Let us give a look at the graph. The energy of the reactant A and B is here. For the purpose of chemical reaction, whenever A and B collide with each other, the energy gradually increases till it reaches the top of the energy barrier to form the activated complex. After that, energy gradually decreases to give the product molecules. The energy corresponds to the activated complex is called the threshold energy, and the difference between the threshold energy and the energy of the reactant is called activation energy. The reactants have average energy ER and the products have average energy EP. The reaction cannot occur until the reactant molecule A collide with the reactant molecule B. When they collide with each other, the energy increases until reach the top of the energy barrier and form the activated complex. से energy बढ़ी बढ़ी चलिबो जेते पर्यंत से top of the energy barrier पहुंची नथिबो एवं activated complex तैयारी कर नथिबो. Activated complex टी कोन? Activated complex is such a complex where the breaking of old bond and making of new bond takes place simultaneously. The energy required to form the activated complex is called the activation energy. The energy of the activated complex is called the threshold energy ETH. Thus, the difference between the threshold energy ETH and the energy of the reactant ER is called the activation energy. So, activation energy EA is the difference between threshold energy ETH and the energy of the reactants ER. Examples: consider the reaction between H2 and I2 to form HI. The reactants H2 and I2 collide with each other. As a result, the breaking of bond between hydrogen and hydrogen and iodine occurs, while the bond breaking between hydrogen and iodine of two molecules also occurred in case of activated complex. So activated complex से कौन है जी? ना हाइड्रोजन भितर बॉन्ड पूरा भांगी नहीं, आयोडीन भितर बॉन्ड पूरा भांगी नहीं, हाइड्रोजन आयोडीन भितर बॉन्ड पूरा पूरी तैयारी ही नहीं. एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स बॉन्ड ब्रेक कला परे दुईटा HI मॉलिक्यूल तैयारी होबो जोंठी हाइड्रोजन भितर बॉन्ड पूरा पूरी भांगी जाइथिबो एवं आयोडीन भितर बॉन्ड भांगी जाइथिबो केवल H और I भितर बॉन्ड तैयारी होइथिबो. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग Bhopal Sir's Career Point. Please like and share this video.